Air conditioning and refrigeration systems have been an incredible boom to the growth of our country. But with that has come some problems of unwanted buildup of slime and sludge as the water extracted from the air lies stagnant in air conditioning condensate pans. If you've ever seen the damage that a backed up drain line or overflowing condensate pan from an air conditioner, well, it's not a pretty sight. And repairing the damage to walls, ceilings, furniture, and floors can be expensive. The solution to keeping commercial condensate pans clean can either be a daunting task or an easy one. Now, the easy way to ensure that condensate pans stay clean and free of slime, sludge, and odors is by using the specialty treating chemical products from Away Chemical of Houston, Texas. Since 1968, Away Chemical has been the leader in the manufacturing and supply of environmentally safe, non-toxic, non-corrosive chemical tabs to control the slime and sludge in air conditioning condensate pans and more. Away Chemical's complete line of products are specially formulated and manufactured to be an easy-to-use solution to a potential problem. Rather than manually having to remove and clean an air conditioning condensate pan, sometimes having to dismantle the unit itself, with Away Chemical products, all one needs do is to treat the pan with a tablet. The tablet is designed to chemically clean the pan. As these tablets dissolve, they plate the condensate pans and drain lines with InvisioGuard, the invisible shield unique to Away Chemical's ChemTab line. No mess and no backup of the pan or drain line. All our products are designed under strict guidelines and specifications using our special AT8 formulation that's unique to Away Chemical. Plus, using Away Chemical's products are a cost-effective process, and depending on air conditioning tonnage and the Away Chemical product used, one treatment can last up to 6 months. Our chemical products are computer room safe and are used by countless hospitals, hotels, motels, apartment and office buildings, schools, nursing homes, and other industrial buildings. Away Chemical has always been an innovator, and its different formulations of tablets with AT8 can treat even large tonnage units and units that need longer time periods of drain line and pan protection based on environmental conditions. Pan Gel is a unique product in that once they are placed in the pan gel locks itself in place and slowly dissolves, providing continuous and aggressive pan protection using AT8 formulation for up to 6 months in most cases. Away Chemical is the leader in air conditioning and refrigeration equipment condensate pan and drain line cleaning chemicals. Every lot of our tablets must pass a rigorous quality control procedure. In addition, our customer service line can answer any questions you may have at any time. You can receive MSDS sheets from our website, awaychem.com. And if you're interested, we can package any of our chemical tablets with your name on it, thereby making it your own private brand. Imagine going to your customer with a treatment chemical with your own brand that no one else has. Our private label branding experts can lead you through the process and give you specifics on the procedure. If private branding is of interest to you, call us at 800-243-0055 and ask for the private branding department. Our facility is located in Houston, and we encourage customer visits if you are in the area. We've been in business since 1968 and continue to expand the technology because of the branded AT8 process. Away Chemical has a solution for all your air conditioning and refrigeration condensate pan and drain line problems. When used properly and regularly, our tablets can help prevent future problems, costly repairs, and added maintenance. Join the thousands of companies that are enjoying Away Chemical's protection with a 100% guarantee. Keep it clean with Away Chemical.